Beauty often seems elusive, especially when considering nature. However, bonsai trees are widely recognized as some of the most beautiful creations by humans. Here are a few iconic bonsai trees from around the world. One remarkable bonsai is the tree at Shunkin, crafted by master artist Kunio Kobayashi. This 800-year-old tree is celebrated for its age and beauty and is one of the most expensive of its kind. Kobayashi, who has won Japan's Prime Minister Award 4 times, runs the Shunkin Nursery in Tokyo. Another iconic bonsai is Gashin, meaning protector of the spirits, created by John Naka. This piece consists of 11 carefully shaped Fomina junipers. Naka began his journey in bonsai in 1948 and gifted this masterpiece to the National Bonsai Foundation in 1984 for display at the United States National Arboretum. The Shohin bonsai by Morton Albeck is a small yet captivating tree. Standing at just 4 inches, it blooms in summer and bears small red berries in winter. The pot, crafted by renowned potter John Pitt, complements this 20-year-old tree that has been trained for a decade. Stefano Frazzoni created a Pinus sylvestris, known for its authentic appearance and tightly packed foliage pads reminiscent of clouds. Yi Sun Wu presents a Penjing landscape featuring Chinese bird plums and ficus bonsai in a realistic scene. This collection, part of the Man Lung collection in Hong Kong, is arranged in a shallow marble pot displayed on an antique table. Wolfgang Putz's flowering bonsai showcases an azalea, measuring just 5 inches tall and blooming brilliantly from late spring to early summer, enhancing its surroundings in a traditional pot. Lastly, the Brazilian rain tree by Budi Celestio transformed from a small snippet over 12 years, showcasing its growth and beauty. These bonsais represent the artistry and dedication involved in this ancient practice. Thank you for watching the video today. If you're interested in seeing the world's most beautiful bonsai tree, you can click on the video that's on your screen.